Hey friends, good morning and welcome to a new episode of the Peak Above. I'm right now in Kumbhalgarh, Rajasthan. So we visited Kumbhalgarh Fort yesterday and we are kind of checking out now and heading off to Udaipur. On the way we'll be going to this very historic place called Haldi Ghati. Has a very historic relevance. It takes about 1.5 hours from here to Haldi Ghati and then another hour from there to Udaipur. So we finally reached this very narrow section in Haldi Ghati, and this is where the Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought through guerrilla warfare. I mean, people were jumping on from those trenches up there and attacking the forces out here. So guerrilla warfare at a different level in 1526. It was a massive advancement in warfare, something that we still learn in our history books and something that we intend to teach our kids when they grow up and know about our history. Kilometer from the Haldi Ghati viewpoint that I just showed you some time back is the Maharana Pratap Smarak. View from here is just superb, yeah? So Aravali ranges all around. A new building coming up for the Maharana Pratap Smarak and Museum. Below that there is the old museum which we'll view in some time. It has a art and sound show and has a ticket right now, but I believe the bigger one is already work in progress and we'll get to see that soon. अलग अलग कलर भी हो
गुलाब जल का
हाँ
वो लाल नहीं आएगा ना।
हाँ
क्योंकि ये जो गुलाब जल है, प्योर अर्क है।
हाँ,
अर्क बोलो या गुलाब जल बोलो, दोनों एक ही चीज है,
एक ही चीज़ है।
ठीक है ना। और गुलाब के फूल और पानी डाला हुआ तो लाल कैसे आएगा? भाप बन के आएगा, वो तो एकदम व्हाइट ही आएगा।
हाँ, जो हमारे दिमाग में वो है कि लाल है।
बहुत सारे नहीं कस्टमर लाइफ में 2-3 ऐसे बोले कि पिंक कलर का गुलाब जल चाहिए। मैंने बोला कैसे बना दिया पिंक कलर, वो तो कलर डाला या तो फिर बाकी तो कोई सा भी अगर अर्क निकालोगे तो व्हाइट ही आएगा।
क्या ये राजस्थान में सिर्फ इसी एरिया में मिलता है कि और
राजस्थान नहीं, ऑल वर्ल्ड का है,
होल वर्ल्ड में यहीं पे
एक
मिलता
की मात्र ये हल्दी घाटी, बाकी तो लोग खूब चलाने के लिए
है? तो
तैयार हैं।
यहाँ से फिर एक्सपोर्ट होता है पूरी दुनिया भर में?
हाँ, ये जो ओरिजिनल, बाकी जो मेडिकल पे मिलता है
हाँ हाँ
वो एसेंस का आता है, जो आंख में डालोगे जलन करता है, नुकसानदायक है।
हाँ हाँ
और
हाँ,
ये कभी
ये
नुकसान नहीं
ओरिजिनल
करता
है।
हाँ, और यहाँ
Okay, so right now we made our way to Haldi Ghati Museum. So there's a light and sound show here and quite a few things told about our history, about this place, about the wars. कितना राउंड लगा? हाँ? कहाँ लेके जाओगे? ऊपर तक? So here we are entering the museum. हाँ हाँ ले लिया.
किला है। इस किले का प्राचीन नाम मच्छिंद्रगढ़ है। इस किले का निर्माण महाराणा प्रताप ने करवाया था। इस किले के अंदर
This is the first time that I've seen sugarcane juice being produced like this. So there's this log on this. So there's this log on top of this block. It's been there for hours and hours. I don't know what fun is this, but I consider this animal cruelty to the highest level. This is not fair. Not fair. So why do they call that Haldi Ghati? Haldi Ghati because as you can guess, haldi meaning saffron. So there's a ghat 2 kilometers from here where the entire mud or the entire soil is of saffron color, and saffron meaning haldi is where the name came from. We made a nice atmosphere here. We just came down from a art and sound show, and that gave us immense information about the history of this place, about the history of wars, about the history of Mewar, Chittorgarh, Kumbhalgarh, Udaipur. And it was really exciting. Also, if you want to get your kids along, please do, because it'll be so informative for your kids to come here and enjoy this place and get to learn so much from this place. So I ride from here and get to Udaipur after that. So any information about this place that you want, please put it down on the comment section. So I'll tell you more about this, whatever I've learned. I'll go ahead and share that information.